CoWIN platform is the digital backbone of our vaccination drive. It has a registration portal where citizens can register for vaccination and book appointment. The second most important application of this platform is the vaccination module, where the person's identity and eligibility are verified before vaccination. When a person approaches the vaccination center, the verifier enters the details of the person or fetches the details from the registration data. Then he asks for the identity document and verify them. The verification activities require capturing photograph of the individual and her documents. Typically, the vaccinator module is being operated on a desktop, laptop or a tablet. In all these cases, verifiers face difficulty in using the camera of the device. To overcome difficulties in the verification process using desktop, CoWIN has developed an application to pair mobile phone with desktop and use the camera of this mobile phone to perform activities like reading QR code, etc. Pairing of the mobile phone with CoWIN desktop application is similar to WhatsApp web interface, except that their primary device is mobile and it is paired with web application for using it on desktop, while in the present case the primary application on desktop is linked to a mobile device through an interface. Mobile interface will enable user-friendly, contactless, infection-proof verification process. Let's check out the steps. The whole process of using mobile interface involves two activities. First, pairing of Android mobile phone with desktop and then capturing photograph etc. on mobile phone. Step 1. Log into the CoWIN portal on your desktop. Pairing of mobile device with CoWIN desktop portal. Step 2. For this one requires to download two applications on mobile. On the CoWIN portal web page on desktop, click on menu icon. Inside the menu tab, click on the Downloads under Configuration tab. Step 3. From the Download section, download two applications. 1. Aadhaar RD service applications and 2. CoWIN remote interface applications on desktop. Attach these downloaded application in your email and send it to yourself. Open the sent email on your mobile and download the attachments. Or you can open the CoWIN web page on mobile phone and download these two applications on mobile device. Now install these applications on your mobile device. Step 4. On successful installation of CoWIN remote interface, click on Open and then click on the Watch Permissions tab to allow permission to the app to run on the mobile. Step 5. Click on the Permissions tab. Step 6. Click on the Allow tab. Step 7. Open CoWIN portal on laptop or desktop and go to Menu section and click on Configuration and select Aadhaar RD configuration. A QR code will appear on the desktop screen. Step 8. Open the CoWIN app on mobile and click on Scan QR code to connect option. Step 9. Scan the QR code displayed on the laptop or desktop screen. Confirm the pairing by clicking Yes on the desktop. Once the mobile is paired with the laptop or desktop, the screen will show the message, Ready for accepting request. Now, your mobile is paired with CoWIN portal on your desktop. You can use your mobile for facial authentication, scanning of QR code to capture details from Aadhaar and taking photo of individual and ID. Let's see how this mobile interface will ease the verification process. For recipient registration, from the menu section, open the dashboard on your laptop or desktop and click on Ongoing. Click on Add option for registration. Enter the required details and click on Register option. For recipient verification, for demographic auth, choose demographic auth from the options to verify recipient from your laptop or desktop. Click on the QR code symbol on the desktop screen to trigger activity on mobile. Scan the QR code on the Aadhaar card of the recipient from your mobile phone. For other type of verification besides Aadhaar, choose other type of verification from the options on your laptop or desktop. Click on Photo Upload or ID Card Upload option on your laptop or desktop. To upload photo using mobile, choose Take Photo from RD service on your laptop or desktop and capture recipient's face using the mobile camera. To upload ID card, choose Take Photo from RD service on your laptop or desktop and capture ID proof of the recipient using the mobile camera. After uploading, the images get synced. Click on Verify to complete the verification. Some quick tips. For more details, please visit app.cowin.gov.in. For any technical assistance, contact us on 0120 4473 222.